face up to you.
This is my 5 horsepower go-kart engine. Yes, paint came off a bit. Has no clutch or chain. I just got running today. Full tank. If you can see, yeah, see here. It turns. See? And this is how it runs. I'm gonna try it out holding this up. That's my 5 horse. Now let's go over here. There's my buried lawnmower. Here's my leaf blower, weed eater. Now it's almost there. I just primed it. So, see, smoke. Smoke. Look at it. Oh, take it.
Ow. Put it down. What? Go over here. Uh-oh.
Okay, shut off.
Then try it again.
Yeah. It isn't? Here's Joseph's weed eater. Very crappy.
That's my weed eater.
Okay, let's get running for the battery. Just a second. Come on. Oh man, wait. You probably half choke.